What is AutoCAD and what is it for? AutoCAD is a commercial computer-aided design, CAD, and drafting software application. Developed and marketed by Autodesk, AutoCAD was first released in December 1982 as a desktop app running on microcomputers with internal graphics controllers. Before AutoCAD was introduced, most commercial CAD programs ran on mainframe computers or minicomputers, with each CAD operator, user, working at a separate graphics terminal.AutoCAD is also available as a mobile and web app. Currently, AutoCAD is refining its features for 2D and 3D design, its interaction with the cloud and its compatibility with other programs, expanding its functionalities. 2D design. In the latest version, AutoCAD has substantially improved the functions for 2D design, refining the accuracy of the tools by improving some options, create dimensions automatically, linkable forms with spreadsheets applications, storing custom views, dynamic blocks, ability to extract data from objects, blocks, and attributes, matrices creation, and many more. While 3D design, for 3D modeling, Autodesk has focused on improving rendering and compatibility with other programs which complement AutoCAD, more realistic 3D modeling, attach point cloud files, apply realistic lighting in renderings, create cross-sectional drawings, rendering directly in the cloud, and many more. Let's move into AutoCAD tool palettes. The tool palettes provide you with a combined method of accessing tools. Whether you prefer ribbons or toolbars, tool palettes provide the best of both worlds. Tool palettes can consist of commonly used blocks, hatch patterns, and commands. AutoCAD comes with many default tool palette categories that can be expanded or customized, allowing you to create one for your own needs. As with other palettes, you can dock the tool palettes or have them float within your workspace or even another monitor. Tool palettes can also be shared by importing to other users and can be grouped like directories to provide you with even more flexibility and organization. Let's start to demonstrate AutoCAD basic commands. L. It can be used for making simple lines in drawing. C. It is the command used for making a circle in AutoCAD. PL. This command can be used to make a polyline in your drawing. Rec. This command will make a rectangle in AutoCAD. POL. This command can be used to make a polygon with a minimum of 3 sides and a maximum of 1024 sides. Arc. As the name suggests, this command can be used to make an arc in AutoCAD. Ellipse. As the name suggests, this command can be used to make an ellipse with the major and minor axis. Array. Using this command, you can make rectangular, polar, or path array. OP. Using this command you can open Options window, which contains most of the settings of AutoCAD. F9 or OS command, toggle snap mode. When snap mode is active, AutoCAD cursor will jump to specific points in the drawing area, which is defined in snap mode. I will make now a short sample 2D drawings using the basic commands I have provided earlier. Please follow what I am doing so that you can learn instantly.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. I send the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back.